Hey folks, James from Support here. Welcome to another onCourse tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create courses in onCourse. So here we are on the dashboard. I've got my favorites open, and yours probably may not look like this, but you can see here I've got courses here. You can also just type courses, or you can go to all and find courses here. And if you want it to appear in your favorites, just make sure the little heart icon is filled next to it. We'll go to the courses page. This is our list of courses that I have in my test system. And to create a new one, we're going to come down here to the add record button and we'll click that. And this is a new course record. So we can see up here we've got the name of the course and the code that we want to give it. Let's say, I don't know, this is beginning English. And we want to give it a code of being 001. There we go. All of this is stuff that you can decide, as in the course code you can come up with, and the course name obviously you can come up with as well. And then we have here, there's tags. You can apply tags to the course. The enrolment type will set whether it's open enrollment, anyone can enroll online, or it's open by application, meaning people have to go through the onCourse application process. Status is important because that will tell you whether or not the course is disabled, which means it's not going to show up anywhere. It's not available to be enrolled in either online or via onCourse. Enabled makes it able to be enrolled in classes in onCourse, so in the office, but the course isn't visible online. And then enabled and visible online obviously makes the course also visible on your website, and people can enroll in it. They're enrolling classes in your course there. And the data collection rule finally just sets which data collection rule you would like to set. In this case, let's set the accredited course because I'll show you that. And we have here you can set whether the course is a traineeship and whether or not it allows waiting lists. So if you don't have any classes available, people can put themselves on the waiting list for this course for when a class opens up. We have a few here, this is a print brochure description. Here are a few custom fields that are in our test system. This is where classes will appear if you have classes in this course already. And then under the marketing tab here we have, this is quite important, the web description, and this is where you can pop all the rich text that's going to display on your course's description page on your website. And so you want to make sure that this is good, valuable content using lots of strong keywords, and really try to sell your course there. You can attach any associated documents here. If they're made public, they'll appear on the course page itself. So if you have any kind of PDF marketing materials that go along with it, you can pop them in here. Related courses and products is just a connection that shows on the website for, if a course is considered to be related, it will show up as you might like to consider this course. And then we have notes, and then we have here the important vet section. So if you're creating a vet class or a vet course, then you can type in the qualification code here, and it will give you just a list to pick from. And obviously I know that this here doesn't have anything to do with beginning English, but let's pretend it does. And we'll pick community services. There we go. Certificate for in community services, protective care. And then down here below that, we can see here it's also set as a vet course, and then we have the modules and units of competency. And here you, just in the same way that we have for the qualification, you hit the plus button here, and then you just type in the codes of the modules that you want to add, and just click add on all of the ones that you want to add. You could also hit add all. I won't do that in this case because that will add a lot, but there we go. We have all of our modules set up, and we hit save. And that's it. Our class is ready. This is the class record just here.
It's just popped up in our list. We open it up and everything is already here, ready to go. And that's how you create a new course in onCourse.